These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and are the best earbuds in the market right now. Let's find out. First we'll talk about build quality and design. Currently I have Spigen case on. Without the case, the top of the carrying case is transparent and the bottom is plastic with brushed aluminum finish and has a USB-C port at the bottom, and this is a pairing button. If you press and hold, it will go to the pairing mode, or you can keep it open like this and remove earphones. You'll able to connect to any Android device. Earphones itself, they sit opposite direction. They have lights, these cool lights on both sides, and these color codes to identify with left and right. Same color code is also on the earbuds. Overall, the build quality is really good. If you try to drop them, magnet is strong enough to hold them in. Let's open the earbud and talk about the fit and comfort. Samsung has now moved to the different design than their previous buds lineup. Now they have this extended arm for both sides. These are really comfortable. You can easily get a comfortable fit out of the box. I have a quite big ears, and these with the default ear tips I sit comfortably without any problem. Samsung will provide three different types of ear tips. This is the medium size. They have smaller and bigger variants as well. In terms of earbuds design itself, this has a light here, and also this surface has a gesture controls. If you press once, it will play or pause. If you press twice, it will play the next song. If you press 3 times, it will go back to the previous song. If you slide up and down, it will increase and decrease the volume. Same touch will work for answering call or rejecting call as well, and you can switch on and off on the gestures on the both side, and also you can customize the touch to either Spotify or Bixby. That's pretty cool. In terms of voice recognition, these can recognize the voice. You can just say next song, previous song, or pause or start music. All these voice commands work really well. Even in loud environment, it can pick up these commands pretty easily. That's one of the good thing. And it also has a live translation. If you go to Samsung Wearable App and switch on the translation, you will able to translate live. To listen to the audio, translate it for you in English. That is pretty cool. So with Galaxy phones, these can be connected with the Swift Connect. Works really well. Now let's talk about sound quality. That is one of the main thing that people would like to go for a smaller earbuds and don't want to lose the quality of the bigger headphones. So I have Sony XM4 headphones as my reference point, and compared to that, these are really good for earbuds. In terms of sound, these are a balanced sound, I would say. It's not a bass heavy or treble boosted like some other earphones. Now let's talk about noise cancellation and ambient noise. So Samsung has a multi-level of noise cancellation and ambient noise option. This is one of the best in the segment. So if you are into really good ANC and looking for a good software experience in terms of switching or detecting a voice or detecting a sound, these will serve that purpose really well. For now, I would give these 8 out of 10 for noise cancellation. Now let's talk about the battery backup. These with the active noise cancellation on will last about 5 hours. Case has a 25 hours of battery backup. They are lasting 5 hours with the ANC on in full settings, and if you keep your ANC off, it will go up to 8 hours. Now let's talk about the app. Once you connect the earphones, it will show the pop-up window saying it has connected and also battery percentage. And once you go to the app, again it will show left and right battery percentage, also the case battery percentage. If you go down here, the first option you get are these 4 modes: the off mode, ambient sound, adaptive sound, and active noise cancellation. Once you wear the earphones, it will be activated. There are 4 stages of noise cancellation. You have this full noise cancellation. You can control the amount of noise cancellation you want to do. You have this adaptive option where it can detect the sounds and adapt to the environment, go back and forth to ambient sound and active noise cancellation. So next option is sound quality and options. It has a 360-degree audio option available in this earbuds along with head tracking. If you go to 360-degree audio, you have this head tracking option. If you keep this on, it will adjust the sound direction when you turn your head, so it always sounds like coming from the video you are watching. Now going back to equalizer, there are presets like balanced, bass boost, dynamic, smooth, clear and treble boost. You can also customize based on your taste. Now going back to options, sound quality options, we'll go to advanced sound quality options. This earbud supports ultra high quality UHQ audios. You can playback up to 96 kilohertz sample rate. This is one of the best options in the Galaxy Wearable app. You need to wear your earbuds and it will analyze your fit and it will tell you whether it is right fit or not. Right now I'm wearing medium size ear tips with my Galaxy buds and they are a good fit. And now I'll slightly turn them around and check again. Now they are showing pure fit because I have turned them a little bit on the left and right. So this is actually pretty good and quite useful as well. Going back to menu, you have the earbud controls. You can switch on and off earbud gesture controls here. So left and right side you can change it to different options. Either you can keep to Bixby or interpreter, or there is a mindfulness fitness app as well. So this is the earbud light control. There are 3 types of light controls. If you press and hold the earbud, so it will switch on permanently. Here in the app you can change it to blinking or fade in or fade out or steady. So this is fade in and fade out, this is blinking, and this is steady light. To switch them off you just have to touch and hold and they're off. Let's go back. So in the next option you have multiple settings. Here you can see the commands you can use. Also you can keep Bixby wake up call on. So there are some options in ear detection, read notification allowed, seamless earbud connection, next touch reminders, and there are some Galaxy Labs for gaming mode as well. Next option in the app is find my earbuds. So how this works is you can ring earbuds. It's quite loud. You can easily hear this. It gets louder and louder like alarm. So that's it on the Galaxy Wearables app. Samsung has integrated these AI features nicely into the earbuds. I think in terms of usable options, this has to be the best earbuds in the market for software and the AI options. To conclude my personal experience with the earbud, these are really one of the best option currently. If you are looking for an earbud that is versatile with sound quality, software support, and AI features as well as the noise cancellation, I think for the price it's very good investment. So let me know what you think. If you haven't considered subscribing, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.